Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with iPhone hotspot not being connected in your laptop. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly in your laptop, head towards network setting, right click on your iPhone name and choose the option of forget. Once you have clicked on forget, again try to enter your password and connect it. If your problem is still not solved, head toward your iPhone, go to its setting and click on personal hotspot. After that, click on Wi-Fi password and change it. The next step is to update your phone. So go to setting again, click on general and there you will see the option of software update. Simply click on it and choose the option of download and install. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with iPhone hotspot not being connected in your laptop device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.